everyone, welcome back to Word Work with Miss Wormy. So today we're going to continue learning and focusing on those vowel sounds. So those 5 important letters that stick words together. You can say them with me and you can write them in the air or on paper if you have at home. So we're going to say the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. How many more times do you have to write it and say it? 3 times total, 2 more. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Great job. Okay, so we're going to look at our short vowel O today. And remember that little hat over top of the O? That tells us that we're looking at its short sound. So O's short sound, O says ah. So look in my mouth as I say that letter. It kind of looks like the letter itself, the letter O. Ah. Practice it at home. O says ah. We're going to say that and write it 3 times. O says ah. O says ah. O says ah. Today, so now I'm going to write, we're going to do some, again, words. I'm going to write some words and we're going to sound them out together. So here's the first word. There's that short O in the middle. Pop. Pop. Here's the next word. Hot. 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 And the last one, we'll do one more. Ooh, let's do this one. Og. Bog. Bog. Awesome job, boys and girls. So remember that O short sound says ah. Good luck practicing. Great work. See you later.